3 reasons why digital banks ang the best paglagyan ng emergency fund mo. Number 1, liquidity. When you say liquidity, you can withdraw anytime. Mabilis mo siyang mako-convert to cash. And yun nga yung purpose kung bakit nasa emergency fund siya, di ba? You can easily withdraw it instantly. Number 2, capital preservation. When we say capital preservation, safe ang money mo, hindi mababawasan. Kailangan mo lang malaman kung under PDIC ba ang digital bank na paglalagyan mo ng pera. Under the PDIC law, your deposit is insured up to 500,000 per depositor per bank. Meaning to say, kung malulugi man yung bank, may makukuha ka pa rin to the extent of 500,000. And last but not the least, number 3, high interest rate. Every digital bank may kanya-kanyang interest rate. Halimbawa, CIMB, 2.6%, Maya, 3.5%, Uno, 4.25%, GoTime, 4%, Cbank, 4.5%, and napakarami pang ibang digital banks under PDIC. Kung may questions ka, comment down below.